It's generally best not to ask the question, I find. Don't leave any room for doubt with the judges. I think they prefer it that way too.
Yeah, I
Noel
don't know if
Hendrick
you
from
already,
Ireland.
I don't know if you're
Sorry,
already
brother.
experienced to be a judge, Rose, but it's always very sad to put a 50 for the paddler.
Yeah, and it's so hard judging. You only get a brief moment to see what's happening. Then it's all up to the video judge from there. Noel may not be giving it his all right now. Cruising, or perhaps taking the smooth lines needed to get the gates, but with that 50-second penalty further upstream,